Huzur Faqeer Izat Shah Warsi marked many shrines and also gave information about those shrines. How is it possible? How did they get information about those shrines? Because all the shrines were placed long before the birth of Hazrat Shah.
That's very true. And our Peshwa, Faqeer Izat Shah Warsi, mashallah, is well known in this area, especially in Iraq, in Pakistan. He was known for that, who has the knowledge, or who possessed the knowledge of Almi Barzakh, one who can communicate with those who have passed away or deceased in this world. Basically, the word intikal means a transfer. So we'll say those who have transferred from Almi Hazrat to Almi Barzakh. Now, obviously they are living. That's why they call it Almi Barzakh. There's so many in out of Quran, Hadith Mubarakah, people obviously transfer from one body to another body. That's transfer. And to another alam, to the other alam. From the current to the future. To Almi Barzakh we said. And how they communicate, like we said, Abu Sarkar was well known, and also he mentioned Qazi Avansa, before him, he was well known for this knowledge, knowing it and being able to communicate with the deceased ones. Now, this knowledge is not easily possessible. It takes a lot of practice, hard practice, a lot of effort to communicate with those people. Now, those people he communicated, obviously, they usually are Shaykh al-Kram, Sahaba Kram. I remember in 1970s when Mera Shamas, Baba Allah Sher Shahi, his he was marked, his place was marked, that this is the place of Baba Allah Sher Shahi. People used to say different name for it, Babaji, nicknames basically. And when the mission was, or the question was passed to Sarkar, that we want to build a Mazar Sharif here, we know this saint buried here. Now, Sarkar took the request and basically tried to communicate the place, place with the spirit. And obviously it wasn't over one day, it wasn't over one meeting. In case of Baba Allah Sher Shahi, Sarkar went and paid him a lot of visits, and especially going early mornings, very early mornings, and Sarkar managed to convince Babaji Allah Sher Shahi that in his life, the question was asked, Babaji, what did you like doing? What the best thing you did? And his reply was spreading deen of Rasulullah and looking after khidmat-e khalq, looking after the people, guiding to Islam and giving the best to Rahman. Now, and Abu Sarkar asked him, Babaji, would you not like, after you pass away, this same knowledge, same ilm, same marfat is passed on to other people, and same fairs passed on for future people come here and get the guidance from yourself. Now, Babaji obviously in his life has served his time. Now that's again by giving Allah by Ta'ala the option or the prerogative. Now, does he want to do that? And his question was, it's not compulsory on me, but if it was sake of Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Allah's deen, yes, I will. But my conditions are, they got to be madrasa first, then they got to be masjid first, then my shrine should be done. So where it was selected, and it was told Sarkar that in this place that madrasa should be there. So Alhamdulillah, Sarkar managed to make not just a madrasa, a university over there, and masjid beautifully, and then afterward Babaji Allah Shaheed's Mazar Sharif. Now this communication, obviously, then it was verified with Babaji Allah Shaheed's giving information, then obviously with the book of reference, Sarkar made discovery, then it was referred back to the people, those who came with the initial question, that this is Babaji Allah Shaheed's real name is, where did he come from? He was Sayyid and all that, and how he passed away. And there was an announcement that Babaji been martyred, basically been shaheed, because his body was, all parts were separate and doing zikr Allah. And those people who saw didn't know. And they said Babaji bin Cheese made an announcement, looked around, and that was his last time living on earth, in physically, then in that.